This video should be used in combination with the installation instructions provided with your Hydroblock products. If you have any questions, contact your Hydroblock representative before you start installation. Install the Hydroblock shower pan and wallboard prior to installing a Hydroblock curb. Carefully measure the opening for the shower curb. Cut the curb to length so that it's 1/8 of an inch shorter than the distance between the two walls. Hydroblock curbs can be cut with a wet saw, chop saw, circular saw, or hand saw. Dry fit the curb to ensure a proper fit. Apply modified thinset to the floor where the curb sits with a minimum 3/8 inch trowel. Apply thinset to the lower side of the curb with the smooth side of the trowel. Do not apply thinset into the notch on the curb. Apply a 1/2 inch continuous bead of Hydroblock joint sealant to the shower pan notch and the lower vertical perimeter surface of the shower pan. Apply a generous amount of Hydroblock joint sealant to the wallboard where the ends of the curb will be located and to each end of the curb. Place the curb into position at an angle to avoid mixing the thinset and joint sealant. Use a level and square to check the proper placement of the curb so that it is level and has a slight angle to the inside of the shower. Remove any excess thinset. Apply a continuous 1/2 inch bead of Hydroblock joint sealant into the seams where the curb meets the shower pan and wallboard. Smooth out the Hydroblock joint sealant with a putty knife. Apply 2-inch mesh tape included with the shower pan along the joint between the pan and curb and to the top of the curb where it meets the wallboard. Cover the mesh tape with an additional continuous bead of Hydroblock joint sealant and smooth out with the appropriate putty knives. Double check all mesh tape and seams are properly covered with joint sealant. The standard Hydroblock shower curbs are a larger 3.5 inches wide by 4 inches tall. The Hydroblock mini curb is 2 inches wide by 2.5 inches tall. Hydroblock joint sealant will cure underwater, allowing immediate flood testing. After approximately 1 hour at room temperature, the Hydroblock joint sealant will skin over and thinset and tile or stone can be applied.